Good morning, sir. This is Sudarshan from ECE D section. Topic: preparing a PowerPoint presentation. Tips for making effective PowerPoint presentation. Use the Slide Master feature to create a consistent and simple design template. It is a fine to vary the content presentation. Bullet list, 2 columns text and image, but be consistent with other elements such as font, colors and background. Simplify and limit the number of words on each screen. Use key phrase and include only essential information. Limit punctuations and avoid putting words in all capital letters. Empty space on the slide will enhance readability. Use contrasting colors for text and background. Light text on a dark background is best. Patterned backgrounds can reduce readability of text. General presentation. Plan carefully. Do your research. Know your audience. Time your presentation. Speak comfortably and clearly. Check the spelling and grammar. Do not read the presentation. Practice the presentation so you can speak from bullet points. Give a brief overview at the start, then present the information. Create a presentation. Open PowerPoint. Select an option. Select blank presentation to create a presentation from scratch. Select one of the templates. Select take a tour and then select create to see the tips for using PowerPoint. Add a slide. Select the slide you want your new slide to follow. Select home and new slide. Select layout and the you type want from the drop down. Add and forward text. Place the cursor where you want and type. Select the text and then select an option on the home tab. Font size, bold, italic, underline, etc. To create bullet or numbered list, select the text and then select bullets or numbering. Add picture, shape or chart. Select insert to add a picture. Select picture, browse for the picture you want and select insert to add a shape, art or chart. Select shapes, icons, smart art or chart. Thank you, sir. Thank you.